Oh, there we go.
Okay, cool. So third gear, trust that the apex is down here. We're going to arc right down to the apex here. I like to straddle this pavement seam right here to set myself up for this turn in. Right down to the paint. Obviously let the car track out here. Good push on the brake to help settle the car before we turn in again. On the gas.
Go ahead.
Good push on the brake. Ease
Sure,
off
you
as
figured
we
this
turn
out
in.
by now, but these are just instructional laps.
Out here to the right.
Not quite full
Looking out
speed.
the side window.
Then they'll be
That's where we want to end
1
up
and
out
7
here.
8.
Off the gas.
Come back
help us
in,
turn
then
in.
we'll start our
Back
main
on
call
power.
session.
Patience here. Let it
Yeah,
turn. Let it turn.
Thank
So
you
we
for
can
letting me
drive a
know.
little more straight off the corner. Soften up that steering. Push on the brake to help it turn in. And good push on the brake. Looking out the side window. Arcing around to the yellow. And patience. Let it turn. Soften up that steering. If you do that right, you can make a little straightaway right here so that you can brake straight. Up onto the baking, the second gear, or second lane 2. Off the clutch, off the brake, turn it in, smoothly unwind the wheel and squeeze on the gas, back up to lane 2, picking up the head here, out this part of the windshield, that's the 2 right hash marks right here, smooth braking, harder braking on the flat. Get that downshift done. Both yellow cones. And straddling off. Good push on the brake. Ease off as we turn in. Back on the gas across the paint. Ease off a little on the accelerator to help it turn in. Good push on the brake. Ease off as we turn in. Right? Off the brake as you turn down in. Off the gas at the top to help it turn in. Looking out that side window, you know you can't really see the yellow. Trust that it's there. Soften up that steering. Good push to help it turn in. To help you brake. And looking out that side window. Set this up so you have a nice straightaway right here to do your braking, right? Up to lane 2. So, hopefully that gives you some good references to be able to see where we should be shifting, braking, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
And like I say, you guys are going to have a lot of laps out here to try to get it figured out.
It's so fun to be on the banking.
Isn't it a totally different sensation?
Oh, yeah.
it totally gives you a new appreciation too. When you see those guys out there running, and they're hauling ass, right?
Oh, yeah.
They're getting it around their jagged edge.
I
2
tested
and
a
3
late
wide.
model on a short track that had like maybe 10 degrees of banking, but
Right?
this is so much different.
Totally different, yeah. So we should have an opening in the wall here for you guys once we get. I think they're moving the walls now,
Okay,
so we'll go in and out once you guys start running.
gotcha.
All right, we'll sneak around here. There you go.
All right, well, that was fun.